Hello everyone. Today we're going to be reviewing
Taba
squishies we got from Mr. DIY and also this thing. It's not a Taba squishy because you can see it's slow rising.
Even this one.
It's very sticky. So come on, let's begin. So we first start off with the hamsters. These two that I got. By the way, these are mine. So let's open the orange one first. Okay, so this is what it looks like. What the heck? This feels so hairy. Put the avocado. It smells so bad. Smell it.
It
Here.
doesn't smell like cotton candy anymore.
It has flock on it.
Wash it! It's better than yours, Stella. It's better than yours, what each you? Well, the pictures my
It's
shake.
It's actually a smaller version of it because I have one like this and I don't know because it was missing. And it also comes with this little cheese over here.
Cheesy cake!
So I'm gonna be getting the white one with my hands.
Ew!
Flock.
Here's the white one.
Ooh.
I cannot get the cheese under the bag.
Here's the white one too. This is less flock.
Free cheese. Cheese. Cheese.
Now we're gonna be reviewing the eggs. So first we have this egg. And that's this egg. So that's all for today, guys. Bye.
An egg is eating a cheese.